is a big pool, isn't it, Braden? Oh my goodness! Probably enough water, baby.
Huh? The what?
He said, make it come out of the hole, Daddy.
Car?
Truck. You want your truck in there, huh? Splash! Whoa! Oh!
Boomski! Boomski!
So Aunt Misty got him this little pool for his birthday. Isn't it adorable? Big old frog.
You know, now when it comes time to get out, he's gonna pitch a fit.
Yeah. Are you sinking the truck?
Hey, Braden, if you pee in the pool, it turns blue.
Scott. You like that pool, don't you? Say, oh yeah. Braden, can you say thank you to Aunt Misty? Braden, say thank you. What is Daddy doing? Is he in your pool? Oh, Scott, I know you're not. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Daddy just made all the water go out, Braden.
Hey, no, I'm about to turn it blue.
You better not. But Daddy, I can't spread out with you in the pool.
Look at them all in there. Watch it. Here we go. Oh! Watch this. Watch this. Now watch. They're gonna come out. Boo, 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 boo. There we go.
You gonna blow some bubbles? Blow bubbles?
Blow some bubbles. All right.
Yeah, you about to get wet, baby. You got in there with him.
It feels good though. Oh my god.
I'll stay in there long enough. I might get my bathing suit and get in there. Except I don't know if all three of us fit in there real great. We're definitely overflowed pool. Braden, what are you doing? And no sticks in this one. No rocks.
Braden, the mosquito can't get to my legs. It can't get to my legs now. Oh, ow.
You got an owie?
No.
No?
No.
Ow.
No.
Oh, okay. On here.
You roasted.
Duck. Duck. No. You duck. 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 Oh.
Reese, are they getting you wet, baby? Reese says, I don't like water. Reese is down there peeking around the bush. Daddy, okay, you're getting me wet. Daddy's so mean, ain't he, Reese? Oh, he is soaking wet. Says, my water is disappearing, Daddy. Why? Daddy, I'm trying to go around you. Get in the middle. Baby, why don't you just let the air out? Aiden, what's Daddy doing again? What's he doing? Oh my goodness. He's trying to empty the bowl.
All gone. All gone.
All gone. You ready?
All gone.